Hello and welcome to today's tutorial by Quick Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can go to your YouTube studio, and before we get into the video, I would really appreciate it if you would support my channel by leaving a like, giving me feedback on my video, and subscribe to my channel. That would be very great of you. I would be very thankful. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So if you have a YouTube channel, you want to know, or if you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to know how to upload videos, you can do that on YouTube Studio. There are not enough tutorials out there which show you how you can upload YouTube videos, how you can edit the description, the title, the tags, and everything. But I'm gonna show you the simple steps how you can open YouTube Studio to do everything you want to do, the analytics. You open up the analytics of your YouTube channel, and you can plan videos there, everything. And yeah, so what we're going to do is we want to open up our browser. I'm using browser Opera GX, but you can also use Google Chrome, Explorer, Firefox, whatever. So I'm going to double click, open the browser, and basically what you want to do is go onto YouTube. That's open here already, and you see that's my start page. A lot of interesting videos. You can see what I watch, and you will go up to the top right corner, click on your channel icon. You see that's my channel name, Quick Tutorial. You can subscribe, as already said. I would be really appreciated. And you already see right here, here's the button for YouTube Studio. It's a shortcut. If you click it, you go to your YouTube Studio, and as you already see, I just uploaded a bunch of videos. And yeah, that's it. You can click through everything here, and I hope this video was a help to you. I really would appreciate if you share the video with your friends, and thanks for being here. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.